Good morning. In today's video session, I'm going to discuss about how to draw the shear force and bending moment of a cantilever beam subjected to a point load. Now, why the need of shear force and bending moment is to design a cantilever beam. For designing the beams, we need to have shear force and bending moment. Diagrams. So in this small video session, I would like to discuss about a cantilever. This is a cantilever, one end will be fixed. And we have point loads F1 and F2. Okay, and the length of this is at a distance A and this is at a distance B. Now, if the beam is bending like this because of the application of the force, the bending moment will be negative. Because if you are applying the load, this is having a bend like this. And otherwise, if the beam is sagging like this, the bending moment value will be positive. Bending moment value will be positive. Now, first complete the mechanics part of this particular beam. Now, the free body diagram of this bending moment will be like this. This is a beam, cantilever beam, and you're having force F1 here and F2 here. And because of this, there is a reaction force RA and a resisting moment MA. This is the free body diagram of the bending moment. Now, in the mechanics part, all the vertical forces is equal to 0. That means RA upward is positive minus F1 minus F2 is equal to 0. That means the reaction so this is A and this is B. Reaction at A is equal to F1 plus F2. The other part of this free body diagram is sigma moment about A is equal to 0. That means MA minus F1 into B minus F2 into A is equal to 0. Therefore, MA is equal to F1B plus F2A. Now, this is the mechanics part of the cantilever. We call cantilever mechanics. Now we'll draw shear force and bending moment diagram. So we have two equations. One equation for shear force. So this is A, B, and this is C. Now consider section BC. So here, this is B and this is C. F1 and RB. So throughout this section, RB is equal to F1. Similarly, CA, F1, F2, and RC. So RC is equal to F1 plus F2. So this completes the shear force diagram of the this cantilever. So we'll see, now we'll draw the shear force diagram using these two equations. One is RB is equal to F. That means any shear force between C and B section is the value of F1. And any shear force between A and C section is F1 plus F2. Now, shear force diagram is, this is A, B and a point C. So, one negative value, this is F1, and RB up any section is B. That means up to here it will be F1 minus F1. Now from C to A, the value of shear force is F1 plus F2. This is plus F2. So here up to here, this is the F1 plus F2. Now this F1 plus F2 is nothing but RA, reactionary A. So this is a negative shear force. This is the shear force diagram for the cantilever with point loads. Now similarly, we have to find out the bending moment diagram. Bending moment diagram. Now for bending moment diagram, for the bending moment diagram, we have to, I'm clearing this mechanics part, mechanics of cantilever, and we'll draw a bending moment diagram in this area. Now, consider two sections. One, this is 1, 1, and this is 2, 2. And the distance between from 1 and 2, this is x. Okay. First, section 1, 1. The bending moment M B is equal to F1 into x. This is negative. Similarly, at x is equal to 0, MB is equal to 0. At x is equal to B minus A, MB is equal to minus F into B minus A. Similarly, at section 2, 2, MB is equal to, what is the x will be up to here, F1 into x minus F2 into B minus A, x minus B plus A. So at x is equal to 0, MB, this is called MC, you can see. MC is equal to 0. At x is equal to B, MC is equal to F1 into B minus A, and at x is equal to B, MC is equal to F1 minus of, this is minus of F1 into B minus F2 into A. Now we can draw the bending moment diagram. Bending moment diagram. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. So first we'll be having bending moment like this. This is the value of minus F1 into B minus A, and here is another bending moment. This is minus F1 into B minus A, and this is minus F1 into B minus F2 into A. So this is also a negative bending moment diagram. So this is how you have to draw the bending moment and shear force. This is the shear force diagram, and this is the bending moment diagram. Now the reason for drawing these diagrams is we can determine the shear stress induced in a cantilever with the help of shear force diagram, and we can determine the maximum bending moment by determining bending stress in the bending moment diagram, which is useful for designing the design of cantilevers. Thank you for watching the video.